After opening the battery casing, take a metal plate or blade and insert it under the protection board. Carefully lift the protection board up. You'll find that it's secured tightly with a strong black adhesive. Use a blade or any sharp object to gently pry it up. Disconnecting the wires. Carefully pull out all the connecting cables and plugs from the board. Use a soldering iron to melt and remove the wires connected to the board. Repeat the same process on both sides, taking care to fully disconnect all wires. Installing the new protection board. Place the new protection board in position. Make sure you insert a non-metallic insulator, like a plastic sheet or epoxy board, between the wires and the protection board's casing. This prevents the wires from touching the board and causing a short circuit. Soldering the wires. Resolder the wires to the new protection board in the same order they were removed. When soldering, ensure the wires are positioned to avoid contact with the casing, using the insulator as a safeguard. If you lack an epoxy board, plastic can work as an alternative. However, avoid using metal for insulation. Securing connections. Reattach the connector cables to their respective slots. First, insert the larger connector, then the one with the red wire, and lastly the communication line. Make sure everything is properly seated to avoid any issues. Final assembly. Since adhesive may not be available, find a way to secure the new protection board to prevent it from shifting inside the case. You can use tape or apply a little adhesive to hold the board in place. Important precautions. During this process, take special care with insulation. Wrap any exposed wires with electrical tape to prevent short circuits. Ensure none of the wires or connectors are touching the board casing or each other. With everything reconnected and secured, the protection board replacement is complete. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a successful replacement.